Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify mortgage points costs with Rocket Mortgage step by step clearly. To verify mortgage points costs with Rocket Mortgage, start by visiting the Rocket Mortgage website. Once on the home page, locate the option to get started. Click on this option to begin the application process. You will be prompted to enter basic information, such as your name and contact details. After providing your information, select the option for mortgage products to explore different loan types. You will see various mortgage options, including fixed rate and adjustable rate mortgages. Choose the loan type that best fits your financial needs. Next, input your desired loan amount and the estimated property value. This step will allow you to calculate the mortgage points associated with your loan. After entering the necessary details, proceed to the loan summary page. Here, you will find a breakdown of estimated costs, including the mortgage points. Look for the section that describes the points. It will indicate whether they are included in your loan costs. If the points are not clear, look for an option to view additional details or an explanation. Once you have reviewed the points information, you can adjust the loan amount or other variables if needed. After making any adjustments, ensure you recheck the mortgage points costs displayed. If you need further clarification, consider utilizing the chat feature for live assistance. You can also call Rocket Mortgage customer service for a detailed explanation of mortgage points. Make a note of the final numbers to compare with other lenders if desired. Once satisfied with your findings, you can proceed to officially apply for the loan. This process ensures you fully understand the cost of mortgage points before moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.